This is a great way to upgrade your litter boxes. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're doing a quick little review of this 2-pack of stainless steel litter boxes. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So Greg has been upgrading all of his litter boxes in his house from plastic to stainless steel. And this is a 2-pack set. This comes with the 2 boxes, 2 steps that also function as litter catches, and a metal scooper. These are really nice and wide and should work for most average and smaller sized cats. If you own really big cats, these might not be big enough. Our favorite thing about these is how easy they are to clean. Stainless steel is so easy to clean and it doesn't hold odor like plastic does, so these are going to last you a very long time. I know some people are always concerned about the sound of your cat's nails on it. We haven't really had any issue with that. They work just like every other litter box. If you have a multi-cat household, these are going to be perfect if you wanted to start upgrading all of your old plastic litter boxes. This is a great place to start. They're a good size, they're easy to clean, the litter mat step is a great addition, and of course the bonus metal scoop. We recommend these.